Welcome to Doba tutorial. Today we will learn how to register a new retailer account. First, open doba.com. Then click Try Free for 30 days or 30-day free trial. On this page, please fill in all of these fields, including the email you use to log in and password. Please note your password should be at least 8 characters long and contain a number and letter. Please remember your password and keep it safe. Then fill in your first name and surname and your phone number. Please enter a valid phone number so that we may reach you and serve you better. If you have an invitation code, you may click and enter it here. Please note the default plan here is Business Plan, which is our most popular one, and you have to choose this plan if you want a 30-day free trial. By default, it will cost you $127.47 per quarter, and you will be billed quarterly. If you want to change your billing cycle, you may click here and do so by yourself. Finally, please click Start a 30-day free trial. Congratulations, you're now a Doba retailer. Next, you may connect your stores with Doba, discover products, and list them in your store. We'll tell you all about these in the following videos. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.